Struggling with telehealth chaos? You're not alone. 78% of clinics waste months trying to stitch together platforms that don't fit, while billing errors pile up and compliance audits keep you awake at night. Our pack gives you a platform selection matrix with weighted scoring for interoperability, latency benchmarks, and patient portal UX, plus EHR workflow templates for Epic, Cerner, and Athena Health integrations. Automated billing tools sync with clearinghouse APIs, while HIPAA checklists cover 2023 OCR audit protocols. For clinic managers, IT directors, and compliance officers drowning in telehealth spaghetti, let's rebuild your stack, not your stress. This isn't magic, it's engineering. Here's what's inside the telehealth implementation pack. Platform selection with weighted scoring models for HL7 Fire compatibility. EHR workflow templates pre-built for Epic Hyperspace and Cerner Millennium. Automated billing configuration with Clearinghouse API sync and encounter validation. Regulatory checklists mapping HIPAA safeguards to 45 CFR 164. Security testing modules for NIST 866 risk assessments. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. We didn't just build a toolkit, we architected your telehealth operating system. Installing the telehealth implementation pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add telehealth-pack. That's it. You'll get the full workflow: platform decision matrix, EHR integration playbooks, and automated billing scripts with Zermed and Waystar APIs. No IT department required. Just drop it into your Claude code session and watch your AI assistant start optimizing telehealth workflows, flagging compliance gaps, and stress testing your EMR hooks. This isn't another PDF checklist. It's production-ready infrastructure in a CLI, ready when your patients are.